Did you know that using the wrong vacuum can actually leave scratches and dull spots on your beautiful, luxury vinyl plank floors? LVP floors are popular for their durability and style, but they need the right care to stay looking flawless. Choosing the right vacuum isn't just about picking the most powerful one, it's about finding a model that's gentle on your floors, easy to use, and effective at picking up dust, pet hair, and debris without causing damage. If you want your home to stay spotless and your LVP floors to remain scratch-free, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 vacuums that are safe for luxury vinyl plank floors, plus sharing expert tips to keep your floors looking brand new. Let's dive into the best vacuums for LVP floors and what makes each one stand out. First up is the Shark Navigator Lift-Away NV352. This vacuum is a favorite for allergy sufferers thanks to its HEPA filter, which traps dust and allergens. The lift-away feature lets you easily clean under furniture and on stairs, while the brush roll shutoff means you can switch from carpet to hard floors without worry. Its swivel steering makes it a breeze to maneuver around tight corners and furniture legs, perfect for busy homes with lots of foot traffic. Next, the LEVOIT Cordless Stick Vacuum. Lightweight and cordless, this vacuum is ideal for quick daily cleans and spot messes. The soft roller brush is gentle on LVP and the powerful suction picks up everything from crumbs to pet hair. With a long-lasting battery and easy-to-empty dustbin, it's perfect for busy families or anyone who wants a hassle-free cleaning routine. For those on a budget, check out the cordless vacuum cleaner for Hardwood and LVP. It's simple, effective, and lightweight, making it easy on your arms and your wallet. The soft wheels and brush head are designed to prevent scratches, and it's great for apartments or smaller spaces where storage is limited. Fourth is the Bissell Featherweight Stick 2033. This ultra-lightweight vacuum is perfect for quick pickups, and it easily converts to a handheld for cleaning stairs, upholstery, or even your car. Its compact size makes it easy to store, and the gentle suction is safe for delicate LVP surfaces. And finally, the Bissell CleanView Bagless Vacuum. With powerful suction and a range of attachments, it's perfect for deep cleaning every corner of your home. The multi-cyclonic system keeps suction strong, while the specialized tools help you reach edges and tight spots without scratching your floors. Remember, when vacuuming LVP floors, always use a vacuum with a soft brush or felt strip, avoid beater bars, and regularly check your wheels for trapped debris that could cause scratches. For best results, vacuum at least twice a week and use a damp mop for deeper cleanse. All the links to these top vacuums are in the description below, so you can compare features and find the best deals right now. Which vacuum do you think would work best for your home? Let us know your favorite in the comments. If you have any cleaning tips or questions about caring for LVP floors, share them below. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert cleaning advice and product reviews from Trending Knowledge. Thanks for watching, and keep those floors shining.